Hello friends, now in this video we will discuss the comment section. So right now we are login, and if we click on comments, so you can see there is no comment. What I will do, I will select copy this localhost/WordPress this link and will open in another browser, not in this browser. I will open Firefox because there I am not login in my WordPress. So just like a user, I will visit the website, you can see, and here now for example if I open WhatsApp is very professional chat app. This is just like I'm as a user, I'm visiting the post, and here you can see now I can leave a reply. So name for example Umair, but email is like admin or Umair at pcpro.com. Website is like website, you can see it is not like static is here, so it's not mandatory for the users because every person has not his or her own website. Comment like this article is very professional, no doubt WhatsApp is very professional chat app. So now even the website is there. And post comment. So the user has published the comment, but it is not published. User itself it submitted the comment. You can see now the name of the user, and your comment is awaiting moderation. This is a preview. Your comment will be visible after it has been approved. So it is not, it is only appearing for the user. In other computers it is not appearing unless it will not approve. So now as an admin I will check the comment section. Even now if you can see it was already open comments, so there is no comment. If I click on dashboard, you can see now comments, one comment is there. Even here you can see comment is also awaiting moderation. So you can click on comments, and now you will approve the comment according to the comment. Like if the comment is relevant to your content, then approve it. Otherwise no need to approve, because sometimes they are trying only to advertise their website products or services, and they submit like irrelevant comment to your articles. So that is like just like spam comments. So if the comment is like relevant to your post, you can see in response to, so it is in response to WhatsApp is very professional chat app. So here you can read like this article is very professional, no doubt WhatsApp is very professional chat app. So it's very easy to understand that this is relevant to my post content, so I can approve this one. So once I approve this one, now if you open this one, so you can see it is appearing here that is not awaiting moderation now, because I have approved it. Now as an admin I can even reply to this person from here like thank you very much, and reply, and now you can see it will appear here because I am admin. So this will approve auto or this is auto approved. We can also quick edit or edit the comment of the person, or we can send to spam or trash. As I told you that if it looks like spam, send to spam and then delete permanently, or trash, send to trash and delete permanently. Like quick edit, so we can edit the comment, we can edit the email, we can edit the URL and edit the name if you want. But better if the comment is like looks like professional comment, no need to edit and just approve the comment. In all you can see two, and here you can see approve to, there is no spam, there is no trash. So this is the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.